Stop letting freelance projects crumble. This video will give you the tools to dominate Toptal and build a successful freelancing career. First, let's dive into project management on Toptal. After accepting a role, the project's details page is your new best friend. Carefully review the brief, milestones, deadlines, and deliverables laid out by the client. Understanding this is the foundation. Familiarize yourself with Toptal's integrated communication tools if a project management tool wasn't requested by the client. Toptal offers built-in communication features. Use these to stay in touch with your client and the project team members. Clearly establish expectations. Create a detailed task list. Break down project into small, manageable steps so you are clear on the timeline. Prioritize, track changes, and note important instructions. This way, you keep everything organized. Next, let's perfect your workflow within Toptal. Define your workflow with each project. Use the project tasks to establish how tasks align. Break down tasks into chunks and assign them to each resource. Track your progress. Clearly identify dependencies, deadlines, and status indicators. This workflow helps you organize and deliver high-quality output. This helps ensure seamless project flow within Toptal. Finally, communication is key. Regularly and proactively use the Toptal platform for project updates, sharing milestones and any roadblocks. Be responsive to client questions, offer helpful insights, and celebrate successes with your client and team. Use these tips to maximize your success and earn great reviews on Toptal. Remember, successful freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint, so go and rock your next Toptal project.